If you have CKD, chronic kidney disease, it's very important to check what you eat and drink because your kidneys can't remove waste products from your body, so your diet should be friendly that can help you stay healthier for longer. So you need to limit some foods and fluids so that certain minerals don't build up in your body. Also at the same time, you'll have to make sure you get the right balance of protein, vitamins, calories and minerals. If you are in the early stages of CKD, there may be no specific limits on what you eat. But as your disease gets worse, and you actually know about this disease when it comes to advanced stages, because kidney disease is a silent disease. So you'll have to be more careful about what you put into your body. First of all, cut the sodium from your food. This mineral is found naturally in many foods. It's very common. And sodium affects your blood pressure. It also helps to maintain the water balance in your body. But if you have CKD, extra sodium and fluids, they build up in your body. And this can cause a number of problems like swollen ankles, high blood pressure, shortness of breath, building up of fluid around your heart and lungs. So what you can do is you can cook at home. Avoid fast foods because they are high in sodium. You can try new spices and herbs in place of salt. Also, please stay away from packaged foods if possible. Limit calcium and phosphorus. If you have chronic kidney disease, your phosphorus levels can get too high and this can put you at risk for heart disease. So it will be good for you if you start eating more fresh fruits and veggies, cutting back on meat, poultry and fish, and limit dairy foods. Reduce potassium intake. Potassium is found in a lot of fruits and veggies like bananas, potatoes, avocados and melons. So these food affects potassium levels in your blood which lead to serious heart problems. So it is recommended to try low potassium foods like apples and apple juice, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, pineapples, cabbage, boiled cauliflower. There are so many options. As your chronic kidney disease gets worse, you may need to make other changes to your diet. This might involve cutting back on foods that are high in protein, especially animal protein. Remember this, it's a chronic condition. That means it's a long-term condition. So keep yourself tested if you have diabetes, high blood pressure or any family history, and start your treatment in Ayurveda as soon as possible. Ayurveda treatments are based on balance of body, mind and spirit, and there is an advantage of using Ayurvedic medicines. These kidney damage can be either partially or fully reversed and the frequency of dialysis can be reduced. Also, the increased risk of death can be significantly reduced. So why to take risk in other treatments who have only dialysis and transplant options available? So if you want to stop kidney dialysis or don't want to go with kidney transplant procedure, Karma Ayurveda is there to help you. It is one of the best leading hospital in kidney treatment without dialysis. Now let's see how Karma Ayurveda's 5th generation Dr. Puneet Dhawan has treated successfully many patients from all over the world.
इन्होंने ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट किया था अबाउट 2 months बिफोर. ये ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट करने से कुछ टाइम पहले की रिपोर्ट है. इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे इनका क्रेटिनिन बढ़ रहा था. 4 दिसंबर 2017 को इनका क्रेटिनिन 5.27 था. 5.27. इन्होंने फिर ये रिपीट टेस्ट कराया 16 दिसंबर 2017, क्रेटिनिन 7.14. इसके बाद इन्होंने हमें कांटेक्ट किया और ये हमारे यहाँ पर आए. 20 दिसंबर 2017 से इनका ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट किया गया और इनका ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट करने के बाद इनका जो क्रेटिनिन हो गया वो घट के हो गया है 3.65. 3.65 अब इनका क्रेटिनिन घट के हो गया है. इन्होंने ये टेस्ट अपने आसपास से ही कराई हैं, कड़कड़डूमा दिल्ली के आसपास ही इन्होंने कराई हैं ये लैब से टेस्ट. और यूरिया भी इनका घटा है. यूरिया जो था वो 66.5 आ गया है यूरिया अब इनका. पहले अर्लियर द यूरिया वॉज अबाउट 117.7. तो यूरिया में भी परिवर्तन है और क्रेटिनिन में भी परिवर्तन आया है. ये जो डायलिसिस रेगुलर बेसिस पे कराते जा रहे थे, पहले 8 से 10 बार इन्होंने डायलिसिस कराया था एंड उसके बावजूद भी इनका जो क्रेटिनिन था वो अपवर्ड ट्रेंड में चल रहा था. अब जो है पिछले 2 महीनों से इन्होंने डायलिसिस की आवश्यकता भी नहीं पड़ी है. ना केवल डायलिसिस की आवश्यकता फिजिकली पड़ी है बल्कि डायलिसिस की आवश्यकता रिपोर्ट्स के अनुसार भी नहीं है। 3.65 इनका क्रेटनाइन आ गया है। अब ये वाली रिपोर्ट ये किसी भी डॉक्टर को दिखा दे, दुनिया में किसी डॉक्टर को दिखा दें, उसने भी यही कहना है कि अब इनको डायलिसिस की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, ये डायलिसिस के प्रोटोकॉल से बाहर आ चुके हैं।
So you can start your treatment with us by calling or WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can directly visit our office. Our address is G20 NDM1 Netaji Subhash Place, Pitampura, Delhi. Stop kidney dialysis.